Right. Your mama kwa baby na yana mase e Pepe Soares channel no so e YouTube. Yeni so hwa mo hwe no. We are extremely grateful that you continue to watch us. Na me pacho se na e dey di kan a wo hwe dwuma dey a. Bomodi say we be subscribe e dey am I. If today is the first time you are watching us, kindly subscribe to our channel for us. If you normally watch but you've not taken time to subscribe, kindly do it. Subscribe FM Mississippi. Nebra beka ebusuakuo no. A Pepe Suarez Media, and this is one of our channels. Pepe Suarez channel, the main channel in the or Pepe Suarez Extra. Any other channels coming up? It was say, Sabri share. Now, update you may be a man or ache in the room, and what the latest update. Ewo Yenia Francis, Nana Yafrempong, aka Nana Poli. Uh, was it on the 2nd of February? And abranteɛ bi agye ne nkwa ɛfiri ne nsam ɛwɔ nsu atrɛ just because a football game ɛna ɛkɔbɔɔɛ ɛho nsɛm ɛyɛ pii da biara mebie me die mu a on all my social media handles na nkurɔfoɔ ɛbusa even here ɛwɔ YouTube comment section nkurɔfoɔ de ba when I sit on radio ɛwɔ akoma na yɛyɛ Facebook live a wohu a lot of people asking about Pepe akwesisɛn and I've always said it say na case ye nyam frɛ e court bi the last time I court ɛtena so in April wɔn ɛde bɛhyɛ May, that is 5th May ɛnra nkyɛnra ɛna court ɛsan so ɛtena se bi mu ɛmɛde wobɛwura mu na afei de si ɛwɔ Sunyane District Court B mɛde ho nsɛm ɛde ama wo. Yes, and this is the focus of the video that we are shooting to you. Yemia Francis ya from Pom dodo na friend Nana Poli ne nkwanhyɛ wuo a okra briefo bi ekɔgye ne nkwa efiri nsam ebra Asante Kotoko ɛbɔ club ne din ɛde nsu atreman ɛwɔ Nana Kromansa Park ɛwɔ nsu atre twumasi krom ɛno ɛho nsɛm ɛna yɛde ɛbrɛw ɛwɔ Pepe Suarez channel no so ɛwɔ YouTube. First of all, mame ɛmfa nto dwa sɛ megye di sɛ Poli story de nyina yi. Yes, but I've given a brief background. Oya Asante Kotoko, not Oya Asante Kotoko, stanch supporter, because he's no more. It's not Oya Asante Kotoko, stanch supporter. If he say pulling a bar into the limelight, every day Asante Kotoko chino. The only day of Messi Asante Kotoko game, the day that Nakotoko, Ebo Hoho United, oh Hoho, it was just a friendly game. Sadana pe and Napoli, and Tinyansha Asante Kotoko in action. It's answer Sada not or worry. Ne yira ɔne ne tena ko sɛ ofrim ɔba gift sada no ɛna no mo ware Poli entumi ankɔ. Even on his wedding day he kept asking friends wafrɛ bɔɔ na yɛsɛnsɛn bɔɔ na scoreline yɛsɛn obia nnua Napoli na Poli ekɔpie mu ɛwɔ Kotoko ne nsu ahyɛman. Unfortunately he did not return. We brought his body, he did not come back. His body was brought back. The story is known. Asante Kotoko kwan a Krobia Asante Kotoko hene otumfo se to bibio na Asante hene eye Poli eye Poli ofrim ene yehu se oyekukum de hye kronkron tu piem e wa hafo kukum a Poli eye de hye ya odi akunya ma ne yi pacho nya nkwanche akunya ho kukum ma hina akunya ane na Frempong etena so na nne osahene kwaku atachi eti akunya no so no sa akunya no yenua na Poli etena so a eyi eno mo jere nkwa efi ne nsam. We took a decision to bring you every detail efi sase nti mo beka free that na Poli etofom eba ya be see in 1 week observation etwa mu in fact Kotoko ye vigil man a week pepepe dana ofiri mu no then the 1 week eba so na yi eba so bi e course bia no ye ho dwuma edema e channel we so then court case in there abri bia no ye di akire na nkan na court no etrase entem ne ntem so but say case no emu awa American kan cho say there's a saying in the legal palace o call emramu a mo ye mra ho adwuma no etaka asem bi say the wheels of justice grind slowly. The wheels of justice grind slowly. Emra ene won nsem no enye gidi. The other day I was asking a very good lawyer. He's no, I'm a lecturer when I was offering Masters of Business Administration at KUST. Let me busa lawyer. I was answering a lecturer. the reason our court cases, especially in criminal jurisprudence, about are there criminal cases? Yeah, ne chesa. In general, court is a check, but criminal aspect ne check. Partner, we say, yeah, now the law will always want to err on the side of caution. Inti, I better say, a better na emremu no omotimi anya the asam no poma sibra ankasa ansana yesi yemfo obi nkotum yemu obi kumfo yenye obi sei ye de saa temu na ba ni nyina ne se ebia na yakobo obi kumfo na ya de tempe ene koye saa de ye nya botre ye be wie ne saa nipa no ebia ye bo ne kumfo. By the time the person is executed later we may find evidence that exonerate nipa kra ya gene nkwa free se na nipa ko ya gene nkwa free se wa wi ana ebia de nipa na kotum emfie bebrebe odamu ana for evidence aba se nya ono a enu nti na ma criminal cases no eche nti the instance of yenua nana poli ni woi ene ho court sam no it is not a deliberate attempt on anybody's part say o ma shada so mo ya se no slow down. That is not the case. The case itself, they say, Ghana, ye mra na ye di adwuma ene ye court sam ne che. I've gone to court once. My former employees be SUA when I left the station. I call court. I think the case took over 5 years. Normal case, about 5 years or so. And sana ye we are seven eka. It is ana emrana etie. And no crana any criminal case. It was a normal civil case. Some will be a seven or mako akujina emrenim any eka. A chepa. Inti, yes, the wheels of justice grind slowly, but definitely we'll get there one day. Inti, Enra Sunyani District could be. What actually happened? And he said, a very free case, I said, Mama, updates. And that should be over 2 months ago. A very post for a best judge and I said, on 2 and Shadana, post for us, only 2 and Shadana. And he said, a bra, Nana Poli Efimo. Kaisa, 3 separate cases and a court. 3 separate cases. My basso ma ba we ho djuma. Nemu abrantia ba ko ne din ade agemai. Dua. A ono post ni no bodyguard. Ade ma honorable Ignatius Baford. Ebro mo ko chi no. Omunya tuo e woni dem. Eno mo san so enya etu aboba. Eno munya atade a moja ewom. E woni dem mo. Sa evidence ni nyina no. Post for ade aba court as exhibit. Exhibit. It has been labeled and same has been taken to the forensic unit of the Ghana Police Service. I won't cry. But also, I didn't come as ye be apart from cry. Oh, police headquarters. And no, forensic audit. Yes. Okay, Bruchak meet my teacher much. Fingerprints are taken. Tatariano. You be taking fingerprints about Tarimina. Near taking all suspects. No? So if your fingerprint matches with any of the fingerprints, now be identified our Tadirima. That's a year. I had the minimum of was here. Enti sa exhibit ni nyina no mpanyifo atabiri de akopiem e won kan se yenko nkwohwe se ebi benya evidence bi de afiri ma and up to now by the intel I have enya de a mpanyini atimi awie sa adwuma no enu nti enu ra case na eba court no won man che wo so e bra free case na dru say ya na e posifo no anase the prosecutors and a sere court say menya menhwehwe mu nwie ya it must rest my bread. So, for instance, Mami new free polars and I'll still bring you back. And now, the Attorney General of the Republic of Ghana, Dr. Dominic Aine, I did Papa call Assemblies of God, the Dukas Dubois, the Kujina court to say, we are Ghana Sika. Attorney General Nako court, Attorney General SR court to say, a bayer, yen 2 as a mention and yet 2 as a mention. Young folk who are in some trouble, so I want to interfere with the Nyoma oil investigations are oil. But as in Tenuano, or no, the case I could not court, which is new investigations. It is and it's here. I'm just bringing you this instance because many people will be on medium pepe as some a foolish case, and also I'm considered beer and I shall a foolish case. No, but that is our law. A check. Ghana to me, dear, some fear do back, do me, near that's what age in a court. ni yedi asɛm no eti ɛno ɛyɛ sɛdeɛ nsɛm no esi ɛteɛ saa evidence na wɔnom ɛpɛ afiri polisifoɔ aka kye no ɛno na ɛnura prosecutors no ka kyerɛ judge ɔte adwampia mpanyini sɛ ɔbɛsrɛ sɛ ɔntu asɛm no ɛnsan hyɛ bosome baako eti bi na ɔka sɛ the next date a yɛbɛfiri case no ɛbɛyɛ the first week of June ɛna yɛ two case no ɛde akɔhyɛ the first week of June ɛna yɛbɛsan afiri case no biem ama na napoli asɛm no yɛakɔ so maka kyerɛ sɛ three cases number one first case ɛyɛ honourable Ignatius Baafo aberante ne din ɛde kyerɛ me Santos ɛna afei so owura ne din ɛde agyeban ɔmo yɛ mmiɛnsa they were the first to be arrested and ɔmo case no ɛyɛ case one case two ɛyɛ mmeranteɛ nsia bi a emu num anaasɛ mmeranteɛ ne mmabaawa nsia bi a emu num yɛkye ɔmo ɛhɔ ɛna ababaawa no din ɛde akosua black Chinese ɛwɔ no okay no akosua black Chinese ɛka ho there's another lady ɔmo yɛdi kan ma ɔmo bail then the three guys a wɔnom ɛka ho a ɔmo so yɛkye ɔmo yɛ ɔmo so ɛwɔ aban kukumaa yɛ a akyire yi ɔmo so nya bail ɛna nna nkɔfoɔ complain pepe ɛne ama ɔmo bail no kwasɛm ne sɛ when you meet the bail conditions then normally the judge will grant you bail say Ghana yɛ mmara pɔn no obi de kɔ Supreme Court ɛnka ne neɛ sɛ there are cases a non-bailable offences today in Ghana open abusa lawyer ni bia every offense is bailable there is no offense that is not bailable in a criminal jurisdiction and jurisprudence ebi ni hɔ sɛ wakum nipa sɛ wakɔtɔ mɔnaa sɛ wawi adeɛ sɛ wayɛ dɛn ɛnɛ Ghana mmara no obi akɔ Supreme Court akɔ challenge because nka ne neɛ sɛ there be cases wey deɛ ɛyɛ first degree felony nti wei ano ɔden yɛmma bail sɛ deɛ court yɛ no sɛ ɔbɛma wo bail na mmom bail bond no bail conditions na ano ɔdene sometimes you want to ask no mu ɔden paa ɛyɛ sɛ wode nipa ɛbɛdi adanseɛ ɛde ma wo yɛ sɛ woni wɔbɛkɔ akɔfa saa nkurɔfoɔ eti woni akɔrɔ wonim sɛ wo bail conditions na no ɔhye so you don't jump bail because the law is not expected to punish somebody unfairly and in criminal procedure you say every person is presumed innocent until proven guilty by a court of competent jurisdiction. In fact, sometimes you are arrested in the act. Still, the law presumes you to be innocent. The law doesn't presume you to be guilty. In other countries, I've not taken time to verify, but either China or one of those socialist countries, yeah, there are some tools you are proven to be guilty. As I know you one. But your criminal jurisprudence you are proven to be innocent until me and media some tools but me prove you are guilty and yes how innocent. Sani emra pon etie. Enti mesremo asem na hayi nyina enya asem a obi a eja ekiredi enra Asante Kotoko management member and lawyer Safuduku was present. Asante Kotoko chitafo they were present. Enya asem a obi a eja mu enya asem obi a re efie na no kwasam so ye ntimi am promise say oh asem we di acha by next week na awie me no kasa yi san nipa num a ye chi omo second case na say ko mo ye nsia no the last suspect in the arrest no omo no mo ye nsia ye nya num no ebesi nne abrante ne di the brimer no ye nya no rasta ye nya no besi nne ebe kaza no ko Senegal and wafa ha and mfa yin kusi ono ye nya no. Then the third case, Ababa wana posi focus on say for a period of 13 days. The said Brahma Ababa we and a no and the share baby 12 yanima di ye, no yanima di ye, and son a branch and a journey across Senegal, posi for cochino. Eti Okabo Manako 3 cases. Still, Makacha was Asamno. We are still at the preliminary stage. Asamno, ye know, Andrew, we are so a prelims, cry young koyedim cry. Na eduru animu a such a case ebekwa kodi e the high court but as it is now baby e won case na eda so e Suyan district court B where evidence is being gathered those for eguso investigators eguso gather evidence kakrakra it when everything is finally done when enough evidence is finally gathered then ade omba say ombe movie the case e dey free the district court, no money acquired the high court. Then police prosecutors never change. Ababadani state attorneys. It's the attorney general's department and about prosecute our case. The Biami Chim at the show. Said normally, if you be a kuya banche, Ubiako you be akoko, Ubiako chi be then there be in Chukraso, Ubiako fo be Ugai, any a breachery, or could two be banche, Sanyo and Tokobia si eufie. When it goes to court or the district courts now, you are not police prosecutors, not a prosecutor case or more. But in a matter of somebody losing his life, in a murder case, and the Asamasu, and case now could the Attorney General's Department. The Attorney General branch a war the Bono region, Sunyani, Omo and the Beso case. That case in a room, it was Sunyani High Court, the High Court Division Quebec. Then the proper prosecution of the case ever started at the FEO. Enemy, district court on the prosecutors can decide say assume see an answer the case based on maybe evidence especially if they were able to apprehend the main guy who is suspected to have stabbed Poli or this kind of war Poli is Yachina on the better say oh when a sumame assume see the car say when a chase say na police aye hwehwemu say police aye omohwehwemu ewie na kosi so no kra nipa no odi ewu ni say asomasi anaso obente na soma me yehwehwe mani hu obi a onka ho a quickly that person will be dropped from the case yeah oko wanim no omumfa sa ni akro emfa enka case no bi so that is what happened in court ewo Nana Poli asem no kwasem we say Asante company for led by the chairman of the interim management committee Nana Pinkra kwesi ewu a eda so ewo interest pa ewo case we mu ni nyina ne sɛ ɔsantehene kurowura timwura eteki constant update at the free no about sasem okay say asem we see the sports minister eba menhia then at that time the interior minister eba menhia and the defense minister eba menhia and otumfo ka kyerɛ mo sɛ ebesi nnɛ obi eku obi abesi nnɛ yɛsɛ mutumi nkyɛ branche mon konko kyere ne mfa asem nko kɔtena kɔtu ni asa he said it nti ayade a opemso ani edi akyire na de bɛmo sɛ de di akyire ne sɛ ye Nana Poli no ɔyɛ na abremponyie na opemso ɛyɛyɛ I am able to tell you said the entire funeral the cost everything was paid for by his royal majesty opemso ɔsɛ twa review de tie ɛno no nti ayade a na ni di akyire na asɛm otumfo ni di akyire bɛyɛ na woyɛ kɔtɔkɔ chairman a waka sɛ womfa ho bɛyɛ na yɛ kɔtɔkɔ supporters chairman te sɛ Alexander Manumu ne mpanyinfo bɛka sɛ womfa ho bɛyɛ na yɛ nsɛntwoni mpo aka sɛ womfa ho but no kwasɛm ɛwɔ mu ne sɛ the wheels of justice are grinding slowly. We are praying that this case could be fast tracked. Samukaya, a black case in a buyer, a status court. I told the court management to write to the office of the attorney general, said they want the case to be fast tracked. Omo pese in the case we you didn't ten anymore. We say I asema and the nipa emotions, supporters in emotions. Nancy gate nipa and custody will be no. Ni nyina ka ho bi. Enti it is a case even the Ghana Football Association, the Ministry of Youth and Sports, and everybody involved in our game should have taken interest for us to push this matter. Yes, when people are punished, a serve as a deterrent to be open. Na nipa no so a asɛm to no so de akoma to yam e de amani pa kona na koma ato ne yam enti wi e kakra ye pick ye from enra the court case a court so e wo Sunyane district court B about the nua nana Francis nana ya frempon AK Nana Poli nyame enkoso mfa Poli ekra ensie yi na sei ni nua ba ne maame nom de nguase betare abranche no in their bid to disgrace ababawa no e nguase na me was cruises bi am de bema about Nana Poli man me was cruises bi a me de bema about the case mama infanto anim say opem so say to bi e be hwem kra no it doesn't matter nsem na Poli ma me nua ne ho afafo be kan ni na no opem so be hwem kwada and I'll give you the reason why opem so be hwem kwada this is an information I chanced upon it some time back but na I thought at that time and yes, information and I said about it. My own I all the investigations I said, so I'm able to prove it and enche me san se ba bonte ama obia ehu se de esi eche yedamase sa brenia bibia no mokoso na mohwe ye nyame enhyira obibia. God bless us all. Thank you so much.